तुमकां सगळ्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया आनी प्रेसाक वेलकम करता। आयचो आमचो थर्ड GTP मिटींग जी जाल्या तातूंत मिटिंगेन वी हॅव हॅड लॉट ऑफ एजेंडाज, रफली अबाउट 30 एजेंडा पॉयंट्स वीच वे कवर्ड। आय विल जस्ट रन थ्रू द होल थिंग इन डिटेल। तुमकां जाय जाल्यार मागीर तुमी विचारूंक शकतात। इम्पॉर्टंट एक आसा की GTP इज कॉन्स्टिट्युटेड विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर हेडिंग दीस पर्टिक्युलर बोर्ड। CMान हांगाचे सगळे ओवरव्यू घेवन मागीर CM हॅड टू मूव अहेड, सो ही हॅज आस्क्ड अस टू कंडक्ट द प्रेस एंड मूव अहेड थिंग्स अहेड। Chief Minister becomes the chairman of this board. The Tourism Minister is the co-chairman. We have one vice chairman from the industry, and the rest of it is split between the government and the industry, which is roughly about 8 people from both sides. Equal representation given. Goa Tourism Board is the first board in the country which is opened up with industry and government working together in the interest of tourism as far as building tourism. कित्याक शेवटी tourism contributes highest to the state in terms of GDP, and Goa is known as a most preferred destination, and ताज्या खातीर गोवा टुरिजम बोर्डाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमचो प्रयत्न आसता इंडस्ट्रीचे व्ह्यूज घेवप, सरकाराचे विचार घेवप, ताजेर डिस्कशन करून फुडें व्हरप। आयच्या दिसाक विशूज घेता आसतना वन वॉज डायरेक्टर tourism, he is also the CEO of the board, has confirmed the last minutes of the last meetings. पण इम्पॉर्टंट आसा की आमी ह्या अंतर्गत लास्ट जी आमी GTP घेतिल्ली आनी आतां ह्या 5 म्हयन्या भितर वी हॅव हॅड रफली अबाउट 10 EC मिटिंग्स। आमची EC कमिटीज वीच वी हॅव फॉर्म थ्रू द गोवा टुरिजम बोर्ड, तातूंत EC फॉर मार्केटिंग एंड पब्लीक रिलेशन्स, EC कमिटी फॉर लँड एंड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, EC कमिटी फॉर न्यू टुरिजम सर्विसेस आणि EC कमिटी फॉर रेग्युलेशन, लेजिस्लेशन्स, लायसन्सिंग एंड स्टँडर्ड्स। ह्यो ज्यो 4 ECs आसा अंडर GTP, ह्यो 4 GTPच्या अंडर ज्यो ECs आसात आनी जवळ जवळ 10 मिटिंग्यो घेतल्यो लास्ट 4-4.5 म्हयन्यान। एक EC meeting is roughly about 6 to 7 man hours, where the industry also participates actively in the interest of building up the right infrastructure, policies, everything. आज वायस चेअरमॅन बोर्डा खातीर जो इंडस्ट्री कडल्यान जाय तांणी नॉमिनेट करचो म्हणून तांकां इंडस्ट्रीक सांगिल्लें आसा। इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर मॉडिफिकेशन इन कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एम्पावर्ड कमिटी ऑफ मार्केटिंग एंड PR, तांचे एक जे विचार आयिल्ले इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग अ सर्टन मेंबर सिन्स ही वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल, नवो मेंबर तांणी कन्सिडर करपाक लायिल्लो आसा वीच द बोर्ड इज लुकिंग एट इट। डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ रिक्रुटमेंट ऑफ स्टाफ आनी डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ मॅन पॉवर फॉर मॅनेजिंग डे टू डे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ GTP. Goa Tourism Board is a recommendatory body and there are a lot of things that need to be done. ताज्या खातीर स्टाफ समज नासलो जाल्यार इंडिपेंडंट करपाक डिफिकल्ट जाता। सो हॅविंग द होल स्ट्रेंथ roughly to about although the sanctioned staff which we need as a permanent will be 63, आयच्या तारखेक 19 जणांचे कॉम्पोजिशन फ्रॉम अ GM, डेप्युटी GM, मॅनेजर, असिस्टंट मॅनेजर, सिनियर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह and executive, total coming to 19 have been finalized for the on contractual basis for ensuring that the board operates independently to the ideas the board wants to take ahead, whether it is policy making, infrastructure and other things. Atun pattern of assistance of grants also was discussed, what is required. Important हांगा डेडिकेटेड ट्रॅफिक आनी पुलिसिंग आमकां टुरिस्ट पुलीस सेल जो जाय that was being discussed with the chief minister in detail. मागीर तुमकां आमी परत सांगता, बट जस्ट गोईंग बाय द एजेंडा। आनी जी एक्झिस्टींग इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसा तो आमी कसो वाडोवचो, लायक वेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉर्थ गोवा, वी आर रफली हॅविंग अबाउट 60 police only मॅनिंग एट डिफरंट लेवल्स एज फार एज पुलीस इज कन्सर्न। सावथाक सद्या कोण ना, आणि ताज्या खातीर ऑन द बीच जे इलिगॅलिटीज जाता विच वी हॅव बीन वॉयसिंग कंटिन्युअसली इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलिगल टाउट्स, हॉकर्स, ती मसाज करता, बाकीचे विकता, टाउट्स कशे लोकांक फटयतात आनी गोंया परत नांव कशें वाट लागता। जरी आमचे वॉर्डन असले जाल्यार पुलीस आनी आमचें कॉर्डिनेशन कशें जावपा जाय ताजेरूय चर्चा जाली, आनी ताज्या खातीर मॅनपॉवर कितलो वाडोवचो पडटा आनी मॅनपॉवर आमकां खंय खंय जाय पडटलो अदर दॅन द बीच एंड द अदर इम्पॉर्टंट एरियाज वेर टुरिजम गोज अहेड, दॅट हॅज बीन डिस्कस्ड। आमच्या बरोबर आज बॉस्को जॉर्ज, who is the DIG, he has also been there instrumental in discussing the issues, the challenges which we are facing, the tourism people have shared with the police. Police also have shared their challenges, and I think CM has been very clear on the directions of how we need to take things ahead. आमी हांगा नालसर जाका आमी ऑलरेडी ऑन बोर्ड केला थ्रू अ कॅबिनेट डिसिजन ऑन अ नॉमिनेशन बेसिस to create a tourism act which is first in the country. That particular thing of drafting, Nalsar has presented what they are looking at. Act in the offing for the tourism department will be coming in, which will give एक कोणो दितलो ताका, कित्याक जेन्ना टुरिजमाचे आमी कितें एक्टिविटीज करता जाल्यार डिपेंडन्सी ऑन अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स टू कॉलॉबरेट बाकीच्यो ज्यो गोष्टी आसता एक्ट आसतकर सगळ्यो गजाल्यो जाता. आज निखिल अलॉंग विथ द अवेलेबल एक्ट इज ट्रायंग टू फायंड प्रोविजन्स to ensure clean tourism, safe tourism and responsible and sustainable tourism, which we are moving with. The act will give a better backbone to get these things right and ensure tourism goes better in this competitive market as far as tourism in other sectors are concerned. Either as competition jenna yeta, we have to be one level above. Infrastructure and services update taje dille ashile on what we are doing right now with the state and center funds. Utilization of the funds have been discussed in this particular board. Total plan जो overview सध्या आसा, how we position ourselves in short, medium and long term and how we need to issue advisories. कितें जाला department today, Nikhil will later elaborate, is going through a phase where everybody is being irresponsible. आमी जरी म्हणलें responsible tourism जाल्यार तरी advisory नाशिल्ल्यान people are being misguided. Tourists are not acting responsible and ताज्या खातीर around 10 or 11 points have been taken out under the hashtag of responsible tourism of Goa, which Nikhil will elaborate later, which will allow us to create awareness within the tourist and ensure that he does not get misguided. These periodicals will help them right from coming into the state of Goa by car or by airline, which will allow to get a better experience. Organization of Goa International Travel Mart GITM 2023 has been discussed. It is proposed that we host it somewhere in February, March. The detailing will be done through the EC committee and toy as approved zala. Development of historical and heritage monuments in the state. त्यो जो आमचे ऑलरेडी टुरिजमा कडेन जो ऑलरेडी गोंया भितर कितल्योश्योच हेरिटेज आनी हिस्टॉरिकल मॉन्युमेंट्स आसा. आमी जेन्ना दिल्ली गेले आनी वी मेट अ DG ASI, we were quite happy to understand what they have in mind. And as other states like Karnataka have done by signing MOUs with the government, today Goa Tourism will be looking at signing a MOU with ASI, which will give importance to those particular structures in terms of giving them in when we talk about tourism and we talk about ASI, a lot of ease of things will happen to promote tourism in terms of heritage and historical things. आमची प्रसाद स्किमाच्या अंडर ओल्ड गोवा चर्च बेसिलिका ऑफ बॉम जिजस जी अंडर पिलग्रिमेज रिजुनोवेशन अँड स्पिरिच्युअल ऑगमेंटेशन ड्रायव्ह म्हणजे प्रसाद स्कीम म्हणटा आमी ताका ते डेव्हलपमेंटाक जो आमी घेतिल्लो आसा तो आज डिस्कस जाला. 2024 वी हॅव द एक्सपोजिशन कमिंग इन आणि प्रिंसिपली दीस पर्टिक्युलर amount of roughly about 41.79 crores under Prashad scheme which was coming. ताज्या खातीर जो consultant details दिल्ले ते फुडें वता आसतना I'm happy to say that this scheme has been approved from the center and we will be looking at discussing this with the stakeholders as far as this is concerned. Old Goa churchीचे stakeholders आसा बाकीचे आसा तांचे कडेन उलोवन ही आमी स्कीम फुडें व्हरतले. रुरल टुरिजम कसो व्हरपाचो फुडें हाजेरूय डिस्कशन जाला कित्याक वी हॅव बीन डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इको टुरिजम एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो वी नीड टू हॅव प्रॉपर कमिटी स्टेशन टू एन्श्योर दॅट रुरल टुरिजम गोज इन द राईट वे. So state steering committee under the chief secretary, district level committee and cluster level monitoring and coordination committee where it will go at local stakeholders like panchayats ते घेतिल्ले आसा which as approved जावन फुडें वतली. आमी मायस टुरिजम म्हणटात आनी G20 येवपाचे आसात. सो G20च्या बाबतीन डिस्कशन जाता आसतना रफली अबाउट 3 इव्हेंट्स विल बी होस्टेड इन गोवा. ताज्या खातीर गोवा टुरिजम विल बी प्लेइंग अ रोल ऑफ हँडलिंग लॉट ऑफ इव्हेंट्स हियर. But important is to reposition ourselves to the country and to the world in terms of MICE tourism. ताज्या खातीर आज आमी मिनी कन्वेंशन सेंटर जे पाट्यार आसा which can have about 1320 packs जाल्यार ते कन्वेंशन सेंटर जाता इतले बेगीन एक्सपेडाइट करपाक CMन इंस्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले आसा. ते बेगीन जावन he has personally said that he would like to see this and there is one more activity happening, one more infrastructure happening of hospitality and skill development academy at Farmagudi Goa. हे दोनूय आमकां इम्पॉर्टंट आसा टू एन्श्योर दॅट बाय 31st March वी आर एबल टू कंप्लीट इट. CMन सांगलां पूण पर्सनल मॉनिटरींग करून जाय जाल्यार इन्स्पेक्शन रोखडेंच करून ही वील गीव नेसेसरी डिरेक्शन्स. सो दीस इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज रेडी फॉर G20 and so that we are able to showcase to the world that convention wise government has started moving ahead. The next convention is Donapal पूण हे ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाता हे दिश्टी पडटले जगाक. तशेंच टॅलंटा खातीर स्कील डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स आर बीइंग आस्क्ड वेदर इट इज गायड्स फ्रंट ऑफिस बॅक ऑफिस प्रोडक्शन सर्विसेस. हियर वी ऑलरेडी हॅव लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स बीइंग आस्क्ड. टॅलंट तयार करपा खातीर जी आमकां एकेडमी जाय, दॅट एकेडमी इज टेकिंग शेप इन फार्मागुडी आनी दॅट ऑल्सो वी एम्बिशियसली एक्सपेक्ट या 31 मार्च पर्यंत कंप्लीट जातली. सीएमान जाय ते डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा and along with the chief secretary and secretary he has given them ki financially and principally to see that smooth flow of things happen to have these projects coming and being commissioned before the G20. आम्ही स्पिरिच्युअल सर्किट सरकारान इम्पॉर्टंटली घेतिल्लो आसा. आमचो संजीव सरदेसाय आनी बाकीचे हॅव बीन इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल इन टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन्स ऑन दीस. वी आर स्टार्टेड आयडेंटिफायींग एंड डेव्हलपिंग ऑफ स्पिरिच्युअल सर्किट्स इन द स्टेट सो दॅट गोंय आमी जी दक्षिण काशी म्हणटाले ती दक्षिण काशीचें अस्तित्व कशें जाय आनी तें आमी पिलग्रिमेज ट्युरिस्ट कशें हाडपा जाय. ओल्ड गोवा आनी 2-3 टेंपलां सोडली जाल्यार वी डोंट टॉक मोर. वी नीड टू स्टार्ट गेटिंग आवर एक्सकर्शन्स रायट, थिंग्स रायट. सो दॅट ऑल्सो हॅज बीन प्रेजेंटेड एंड डिस्कस्ड इन टुडेज प्लॅन. The Goa Department of Tourism and the project cell and the GTDC, we have decided today that digitization of all old records जावपा जाय. As IT, we have already started moving towards e-office through NIC आणि बॅकबोन जाय जाल्यार आमी डिजिटायजेशन करचें पडटलें. जशें सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी IT डिजिटायज करता, ITन प्रोपोजल दिल्लो टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाक डिजिटायजेशन ऑफ ओल्ड फायल्स, ते आज आमी फुडें व्हेल्ल्यो आसा, फॉर वीच डिजिटायजेशन ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड्स will happen, and in time to come we will have paperless connectivity as far as all departments, and tourism has already started this part. Appointment of project management unit for GTB is one more part which we have taken. GTB समज ऑपरेट जातली आनी फुडले विचार व्हरतले आनी एडवायजरीज जाय जाल्यार वी नीड अ PMUचो अपॉइंटमेंट एप्रूव करून घेतिल्लो आसा. TTAGचे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आयिल्लें ऑन सर्टन कन्सर्न्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री दॅट हॅज बीन क्लॅरिफायड विथ देम हाव इट इज, because they thought that GTBचे functioning कशें आसा, they had some concerns which they have raised. GTB as a constitutionally body for recommendatory part which is there, how it is meeting after every 5 months. एक 4 महिन्यांनी आमी कश्यो 10 मिटिंगो घेतल्या, each manning about 7-8 hours, ensuring that nothing remains at one point but moves. So TTAG कडे clarity दिल्ली आसा. A detailed letter will be going as a reply to their representation to ensure that their parts which they had as concerns are clarified. At the same time, look forward for the active support as they have always been with us in decisions that we take. Swadesh Darshan state perspective plan and the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 तो discuss करून जालो. आनी एक गजाल जी इम्पॉर्टंट आशिल्ली इज बीच क्लिनिंगाची. बीच क्लिनिंग आमी सदांच सेफ अँड क्लीन बीचीज म्हणटात. सध्या वी हॅव हॅड कन्सर्न्स वेर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग टू हॅव अ प्रॉपर बीच क्लिनिंग अचीव्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेझेंट टायप ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ वर्क विच वी हॅव. पंचायत जेन्ना आमी कोलवा गेले, बाकीचे गेले, जाग्यार इन्स्पेक्शन केलें अँड वी हॅड मिटींग विथ द कोस्टल MLAs. वी हॅड फीडबॅक की डेड एंड्स म्हणजे जे एक्सेस रोड्स टू बीच येता ते दे आर द मोस्ट गार्बेज एरिया, म्हणजे गार्बेज झोन्स. पंचायत म्हणटा आमची एरिया, आमी म्हणटा पंचायत एरिया, अँड वी रिस्ट्रिक्ट आवरसेल्स टू द बीच, आनी ताजे खातीर इट गिव्स अ रॉंग इम्प्रेशन टू द टुरिस्ट. सो दीस टायम वी हॅव डिसायडेड दॅट अप टू द डेड एंड्स ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन्स and suggestions of the MLAs, we will incorporate in our own beach cleaning part. Beach cleaning whole process which will be there will ensure whole cleaning of the beaches. Timing जो आशिल्लो, जो सकाळी 9 ते सांचे 6 म्हण आशिल्ले पयले, तो स्कोप वाडयला की सकाळी 6 ते रातचे 9 केल्या. So people will work in 2 shifts to give a better experience and ensure that beaches are really clean in all aspects and give the complaint जो येता त्यो न जावपाक. तातूंत तांकां मशिनरी जाय, कितें जाय, विथ एनवायरमेंटल स्टँडर्ड्स एप्रूव्ड वील बी टेकन इन. आग्वादाचो इशू डिस्कस जालो रिगार्डिंग द property given to Indian Hotels. I'm happy to tell you that Indian Hotels after so many years has paid the money to the government of Goa and they are paying, and we are in a discussion stage to see how things can be taken ahead. That was discussed with the board. Permission of putting up of deck beds and umbrellas, ते एक आशिल्लो तो इशू डिस्कस जालो. बारीक इश्यूज आशिल्ले लायक ओपनिंग अकाउंट्स मागीर ते एक डिस्कस जाले. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इज NOCs फॉर वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज. सगळे बीच बेल्ट्सान वी आर हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी ड्रास्टिक प्रॉब्लेम्स which are very challenging for the tourism industry, which we have been voicing continuously. We have been talking to the police also, we have been talking to captain of ports also, we have been talking to the whole industry. 4 महिने का 4.5 महिने पहिले आम्ही कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक लेटर बरयलें की थंय तुमी आमच्या NOC शिवाय फुडल्या बोटींग नाल्यार खंयच्याय टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज घेवपाक तुमी परमिशन दिवं नाका. आनी तें समज दिलें जाल्यार वी वील नॉट कन्सिडर इट फॉर टुरिजम NOC कित्याक सद्या बीच स्टॅग्नेट जाल्या जंय जंय बोटी येवंक जाय आनी जे जे कस्टमर येवंक जाय कस्टमरा पेक्षा बोटी चड जाल्या आनी ताज्या खातीर झगडी जावंक लागल्या कावेलोसीच्यान काणकोण आनी थंयच्यान हेवटेन मोरजेच्यान कालंगूट सगळो बोगमालो सगळो बीच बेल्ट धरलो देर आर लॉट ऑफ इलिगॅलिटीज दॅट हॅव स्टार्टेड High Court they had already taken cognizance and asked for very clear of queue system and for which the department, the director is ensuring that compliances are taken to ensure that we have a better experience. कित्याक आमी सगळ्या वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशनाक आपोवन उलयल्ले की तुमी कशें करचें पडटा कितें करचें पडटा सगळे एग्री जाले खरें फुडें मागीर वतकर इट इज नॉट कम इन टू सो वी हॅव स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग बाय दीस मिडिया ओनली आय वूड लायक टू कम्युनिकेट टू माय ब्रदर्स and friends who are in the water sports activities ki we are with you but at the same time we expect you to be with us to ensure that systems are in place आणि आमी जेन्ना हें करता वी आर फॅसिलिटेटर्स कोण कोण येवन तांकां सांगता की कोण तरी कॉर्पोरेटायज करता कितें करता कोण काय करना फाल्यां समज जेला सारकेली एजन्सी विच इज अ गव्हर्मेंट एजन्सी इज हेल्पिंग यू रन युअर बिझनेस इट इज ओनली बाय कटिंग इलिगल टाउट्स अँड पुटिंग युअर बिझनेस रायट and we are very clear and ensuring that these things will happen CMAन डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा की इलिगॅलिटीज बंद जावपाक जाय इलिगॅलिटीज will be stopped in terms of water sports to ensure that झगडी जायना and the person does not suffer as already people have started moving to Malwand for water sports activities like scuba and snorkeling आणि less and आमी समज जाग्यार जायना जाल्यार we will lose out what it is and जशें मायनिंगान जालें 10 वर्सां खातीर टुरिजमान जाय पूण जो भंय आसा ताज्या खातीर अंडर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत वी आर वर्किंग टू एन्श्योर दॅट वी गीव अ व्हेरी क्लियर स्टेप टू गिव अ गुड एक्सपिरियन्स फॉर द टुरिस्ट हू पेज फॉर अ सर्वीस ऑफ वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स स्टुपा स्पोर्ट्स एनालिटिक्स म्हणून दे आर कमिंग विथ द वर्ल्ड टेबल टेनिस टुर्नामेंट वी हॅव गिवन देम प्रिंसिपल गो अहेड सिमिलर इज फ्रॉम फायर where they're looking for a non-financial partnership with Goa Tourism Accelerator Program 2023 ताजेरूय चर्चा जाली आनी ते आमी तांकां इन प्रिंसिपल एप्रुवल दिला टू एन्श्योर दॅट गोवा टुरिजम पार्टनर्स with them to have these particular activities. Other than that, in the morning before the meeting started, the first issue which was discussed was what happened yesterday. तुमच्याकडे क्वेश्चन आसतलें पयलींच सांगता काल वास्को जो इन्सिडंट जालो वो एब्सोल्युटली अनएक्सेप्टेबल टॅक्सीवाले एक वाटेन आमी जेन्ना एग्रिगेटर हाडटा म्हणटा आमी सारके आसा जाल्यार काल वास्को कितें जालें ह्याच टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी सांगपाची गरज आसा इट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल एट ऑल दॅट समबडी वील प्ले विथ द टुरिजम ऑफ गोवा एज आय ले माय एपोलॉजीज टू द पीपल हू सफर्ड आय शेअर माय रिग्रेट्स दॅट दीस पीपल हू हॅव एक्टेड वील नॉट बी स्पेड इफ दे डू इट अगेन ह्या फाटी आमी पुलिसे कडेन उलोवन वी हॅव एन्श्योर्ड कोणें थापट मारला कितें मारला सीएमान क्लियर डायरेक्शन दिल्या एक्शन घे म्हणून आनी असले समज गजाल्यो जातल्यो जाल्यार दीस इज नॉट एब्सोल्युटली एक्सेप्टेबल as far as MPT is concerned we are going ahead with a counter there queue system will be put up over there जो टुरिस्ट येतलो त्या टुरिस्टाक कितें एक्सपिरियन्स जाय इन टर्म्स ऑफ दे प्री बूक करतात हांगा येवन बुकींग करनात ते थंय टूर करता तेन्ना प्री बूक करता सो तांणी समज बाय कार घेतला काय बाय ऑप्शन बाय बस घेतल्या इट इज अ प्रोरोगेटीव ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर टुरिस्ट टू डिसायड हांव जेन्ना खंय भायर वता भोंवपाक हांव डिसायड करतलो काय तो डिसायड करतलो हांवें कशें भोंवपाचें काय म्हणून सो सिमिलरली वी नीड टू गिव दॅट वी एक्सपेक्ट मोर कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट एंड पुलीस द सेम हॅज बीन डिस्कस्ड विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर Bosco George has been instrumental in telling how the plan is going to be ahead and how we look at it. We will ensure that these type of activities don't take place. मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगला हे परत जावचें ना. He has promised the industry की हे परत जावंक दिवचो ना. He has given very clear indications and instructions to the police department on acting on this type of mishandling of tourists. So whether it was MPT or whether it is anywhere else, these type of things will not be taken ahead. कित्याक शेवटी टुरिजम वाट लागता हे कोण दिसावड्याचे पळयतात आनी लॉंग टर्म टुरिजम पळयना जाल्यार गोंय वील सफर बिकॉज ऑफ दीस टायप ऑफ पीपल हू गेट अ रॉंग नेम काल तांणी जो इन्सिडंट केला हॅज रिपल्ड व्हेरी बॅडली फॉर अस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड म्हणून तुका हांव सांगता एज वी ले आवर एपोलॉजीज टू द पीपल हू सफर्ड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दीस मिसक्रियंट्स हू एक्टेड इन अ व्हेरी बॅड मॅनर एट द सेम टायम आय अपील टू माय पीपल ऑफ गोवा हू आर इन टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज टू गेट युअर ट्रेड रायट आमी ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेसान सगळे सादेपणान केल्ले आसा रेजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस सादो केल्लो आसा पूण एट द सेम टायम आमी रेड मारपाकूय सुरू केल्ली आसा सो तुमची हॉटेलां रेजिस्टर्ड ना रेजिस्टर करा ऑनलायन वाल्यांकूय आमी क्लियर सांगलां की तुमी समज रेजिस्टर्ड हॉटेल घेना जाल्यार तुमचेरूय आमी एक्शन घेतले म्हणून ते मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगिल्लें आसा कित्याक खंय तरी एक ऑनलायन एजन्सी हॉटेलां दाखयता, ते बाबडे लोक टुरिस्ट बूक करता, विला नाल्यार हॉटेल नाल्यार कितें, ती आमचे कडेन रेजिस्टर्डूच ना, तांच्या सायटीर दाखयता, ते पे करता, हांगा येतकर ते हॉटेल ना काय ना. So where do they go? They run to the police, but that site is managed somewhere else, do somewhere something else. So ते बंद करपाकूय Department of Tourism has started. I expect that such type of tourism board meetings where the stakeholders is getting very nicely focused on areas of moving tourism in the right direction. जेन्ना आमकां सेंटर अशें त्या तरेन स्वदेश दर्शन नाल्यार प्रसाद स्किमाच्या अंडर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक सपोर्ट करता, गोंया आमी नवे टुरिजम सर्विसीस आनी एक्ट हाडटा तेन्ना आमची इंडस्ट्री also is voicing their opinions, which is making it very nice for us to sit across and discuss things. They have also been very active in participating in the EC meetings under various heads, which is also allowing us to plan tourism. Next 5 years for tourism is very important for the state as competition grows. I should thank Bosco George and my friends from the industry who have come today for this meeting, shared their opinions. As the Chief Minister has given directions, necessary action will be taken. पूण ह्याच फोरमांतल्यान टुरिजम बोर्ड मिटींग घेवप आनी टू गिव दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स टू द टुरिजम स्टेक होल्डर, आमी एकूच तुमकां मागता की येता त्या दिसांनी वी विल कम विथ अ रिड्रेसल सिस्टम, अ कॉल सेंटर विथ हाउ मेनी लँग्वेजीस? Initially 3 languages, call center with initial 3 languages, going up to 5 multilingual languages will be coming in. A tourist will be able to lay out information or get his grievance there and ensure that we are able to coordinate his issues. So as we start creating better experiences, we also call up to the media and press to help us and support us by giving the right messages to the people that we need to welcome them to Goa. Thank you.
The Honorable Chief, when the Minister brought it to the notice of the Chief Minister, he said that at least during this tourist season, we will back up the existing police force maybe from the internal areas as well as from our reserve forces, so that the tourism during this tourist season there won't be any problems.
Long-term plan, we need a police coming in, more police coming in, more police recruitment.
According to the board, the Honorable Minister has presented to have a complete tourist police, right, with a full force and everything, but that has been taken up and discussed. But that will come subsequently. But as of now, we will be looking up so that the season is not disrupted.
As what we said, the tourist police cell will come full-fledged with a DYSP, with a PI, PSIs, ASI, PC, सगळे. पण सध्या ते फॉर्म जाता आनी म्हणजे अस्तित्वात येता म्हणसर आमचो DIGन प्रॉमिस केला की इमिजिएटली अंडर इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर टू डिप्लॉय रेलेवंट जितले पुलीस जाय आमकां तितले पुलीस थंय जाय पडटा त्या प्रमाणे अलॉंग विथ कॉर्डिनेटिंग विथ अवर डायरेक्टर ते करून घेतले.
एमपीटीन तो टॅक्सी काउंटर आसलो, प्रीपेड टॅक्सी काउंटर आसलो,
एमपीटीन जो पयलीं काउंटर आशिल्लो तो काडून गेलो GTDC कडल्यान, तो परत येतलो. वी विल एन्श्योर द क्यू सिस्टम इज इन प्लेस एंड वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट दिस टायप ऑफ थिंग्स डू नॉट हॅपन. आनी समज एक्शन असलें कितें कोण करपाक ट्राय केलो जाल्यार पुलीस हॅव बीन क्लियरली इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू एक्ट इमिजिएटली विदाउट एनीबडीज इन्फ्लुएन्स, नथिंग, एक्शन हॅज टू बी डन.
लास्ट बीच क्लिनिंग जे आसा ती एजन्सीत करतली काय पंचायत?
ना, बीच एजन्सीत करतली.
What is the present system there at Margungam Port when tourists come out of gate? Who are entitled for that? Because they say that it is their responsibility. Tourist taxi people.
Yeah. Okay, I'll answer this question of yours. This question had come up many years ago. There was always a friction between the taxis and the coaches. So it went to such an extent that High Court had to be approached. The Tourism Association approached the High Court, and High Court has given an order that the selection, whether he goes into a taxi or the buses, is the choice of the customer, of the commuter. So who has to do it? It all depends upon the customer, upon the commuter. If he decides to go by coach, he can go by coach. If he decides to go by taxi, he goes by taxi. And if this is not, this order is in force, this is a High Court order in force, And if this is infringed, it amounts to contempt of court. So this has to be, again, many people might have forgotten this order, but that order is in force.
Yeah, one more thing I'd like to add. One is the order in force. Second, very importantly, when MOPA is coming, the numbers are going to go up. There is a scare in South that tourism may not come. When tourism is coming in the South, if you are going to welcome with this type of things, why will tourism come in the South? The captain of this ship has gone on record saying that he will never come back to Goa. What has he carried back as a memory? Who has given this memory? Who are these stakeholders who have been responsible to mess up with tourism? Are they not responsible to ensure that this we are not getting? या बोटीन जे लोक येतात are high-end tourists which we are looking for. We are not looking for numbers. We are looking for quality. And when this discussion has happened today elaborately, everybody has decided that we need to start looking at focus on not on numbers, but a better spent tourist who comes to Goa. What is the experience we are giving him? And what is it that he is taking back? And तो शिपाचो कॅप्टन सांगता आपण गोंयाक केन्नाच येवचो ना हाजे फुडें जाल्यार I would look at we are not the only port. There are many more ports which can be there for people to use. And if those ports are being used, we have lost sizable business. मागीर रडपाक बसतले की आमचे टॅक्सी धंदोच ना तुमी सगळो मोपा व्हेलो म्हणून अरे सावथाक आयिल्लो धंदो तुमी करपाक शकना तुमी भायले कितें उलयतले आनी तुमी there's a charge from the industry is one small trip from that are being charged in dollars, which is not even in the notified rate. Now, neither can you take money in dollars. It's a very serious concern, and we look forward to your support. We immediately, I think, director along with jail will put up a counter there and ensure that queue system comes in place. We will handle this with an iron fist. We are very clear. With sentiments of our locals to support, जे serious असा इंडस्ट्रीन आणि जे काम पोटाक भरूंक सोदता ते काम करतले. जे फक्त दादागिरी करून सोदता ती दादागिरीची भाषा बंद करतले आमी. Taxi app is almost ready. IT has already done it. I think one meeting with the Chief Minister is required. We were ambitiously looking at launching on the 19th, but I think Transport Department being the agency, we need to have some clarities with the Chief Minister before we come with the product. The product is almost ready. Goa Taxi product will not be any other product, but हांव परत रिपीट करता कित्याक खुबशे टॅक्सी भाव उलोवंक लागले म्हणून. हो प्रोडक्ट तांचो आनी हाजेर रेव्हेन्यू येता तोय तांचोच आनी तांकांच स्किमी तांकांच पयशे वापरपाक आमी कांय करना. सो जे लोक सिरियसली काम करतात ते पयशे करतले आनी जोडटले थ्रू ॲप. जे ते धातले दोग जाण जे दिसाची एक ट्रीप मारून बसतात तांकां एखादी त्रास जावंक शकता कित्याक ते काम करूंक सोदना म्हणून. दुसरें देर आर कन्सर्न्स विथ द टॅक्सी एंड द ड्रायव्हर्स एंड द इंडस्ट्री which I think the Chief Minister after chairing in a lot of clarity will come in. We'll look at the new year starting with the new thing and CMan सांगला की जाता इतले बेगीन करूया म्हणून. सो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा इतले बेगीन तो ॲप लॉन्च करचो म्हणून. We already have onboarded a PR agency. We have shortlisted on the PR agency. Through the EC meeting, already the PR agency has got finalized. I think finance clear झाले की by December end or January एकदा ती board झाली. We will look at from digital and social media how best we can use to press, to including the tours which we do, the tours which we go out to in terms of road shows or participating in shows. ताज्या खातीर कशें करपा जाय आमचो PR कसो वाडपा जाय कितें करपा सगळें तांच्या स्कोपान आसा which will allow brand Goa to work at a very different level and getting our ideas right and also ensuring that the sentiments of our people are portrayed right and what we are as portrayed right will go a long way in terms of the PR agency coming on board. So 2023 ante you will start seeing the changes happening. But here it is not the changes, it is more of a thing that internally आम्ही इतले subdued झाल्या की we need to understand where it's wrong and when we need to do the corrections. Headlines cannot be tourism is affected. Tourism cannot be affected in various terms when it comes to stakeholders and stakeholders need to put their things right. Whether it's water sports, shack, taxi or any other business or hotels. Any business should be set right so that the tourist goes back with a good experience.
So how much money have you spent on the beach cleaning? How much money spent on the beach cleaning?
आम्ही roughly about म्हाका दिसता we are spending about 9 or to 10 crores per annum on this. But this is very restrictive. This time it will go up because we are going to scale up the whole thing at a different level. So एखादी amount वयर सकयल आसतलो, but we'll ensure that the beach management is handled with a very integrated policy. One will be beach cleaning, second will be beach life saving, and third will be surveillance to give that safety aspect. So we have already moved a tender. We have asked for people to come on board to put up those cameras with artificial intelligence. It will do face reading. It will do a lot of information, data analytics. हमका वाटतले. Messages will be given on the beaches properly. Awareness तयार करतले. So this already thing has started. So as we start with this, surveillance, CCTV cameras, proper illumination to give that effect. Beach cleaning and this also will be put properly so that we are able to compete with the best in the world. That jana to reports paita kapa report nalari. Today we are slowly dropping from being the best destination. And ताज्या खातीर clustered shack, दर्यान beach beds, खूब जाण म्हणटा कितें करता काय म्हणून. हे आमी आज करना त्याला रिग्रेट करपाक जागो आसचो ना. आमी शॅकवाल्यांक क्लियर डिमार्केटेड एरिया दिल्या. इतल्या भितर तुम्ही करात म्हणून. ते बीच बेड घाल, तुम्ही टेबलां घाला, तुम्ही घाला. तुम्ही दर्यान वचनाका. दर्यान कडेन गेले आमी काडटले म्हणून. That is what we are doing. So if you see, sincerely the Director of Tourism has been ensuring daily monitoring from north to south to ensure compliance of the law. आणि काहीच ना. So we are supporting you but do it the right way. Thank you.
Thank you.